Hey guys, I've printed out the template that I'm going to use for Valka's staff. I've printed it, I traced it in Illustrator and just put dots where those little holes are that have the little shells, which I have to figure out that part later. I traced it in Illustrator and added, I don't know if you can see it, added just a goofy stripy pattern, so it'll help me line up the pattern once I cut off that edge from the printer. Now that I've got my pattern all taped together, can't quite see the whole thing in there. Anyway, my giant spaghetti noodle. Now I can go tape it to my piece of wood. Finished cutting it out. See if we can get it in the screen there. It's a little smaller than the movie. This one's about 5 feet tall. The movie, I'm guessing she was about 6 feet tall. But this is what fit on a 2x8 board, so that's what I did. But it could easily be scaled up to fit. But I kind of like this size. Not quite so obtrusive, and it's kind of fun to spin. There, I got the initial kind of sandy thingy, my jigger. There. A little dusty. Anyway, belt sander worked much better. Slightly dirty. You can see it's not perfect, but good enough for now. I might go back to it a bit later, get some more off. But tried to round off the part. Oh, there's an edge right there. But, you know, got some more work to do, but kind of get the gist. Tried to thin down that a little. Looking at it on the camera, I think I'll get a little more. Oh, I love my hair today. Look good. Anyway, that's what I got so far. I kind of like hitting it on the ground. That's what I was hoping for with the solid wood instead of doing like the PVC pipe. It's got that oomph. the spikes that come out on these, where all the holes are, or not holes, but I don't know, whatever they are. I have a theory. I don't know if it'll work, but it's worth a shot. My idea, that's weird. My idea is to drill, can you see? Ah! Drill just a basic screw. These are just pocket hole screws I had in the garage, but any size, not too long. Well, I think. I'm only guessing, since I don't know what I'm doing. Put them in right in the middle. There should, on the Forstner bit that I used to make these marks, it left a little dimple right in the middle. So I'll just screw them right into there, maybe 3/4 of the way in or so, so it'll be sticking out. So I'm going to use some air dry clay to make the little, looks like little horns sticking out. So I'm going to try that. I think I'll try it on one, see if it works before I go to the rest.